Are y'all ready to talk some shit? What's up, my real flesh? It is Isaiah Heart, the Queen of Hearts, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, y'all, we are about to talk about some brands that we should have left in 2018, but somewhat they're still here in 2019. You know, we should have left them, but they're still, of course, in this year. Don't know why, but yeah. If that's something you guys are interested in, please hit that subscribe button. Subscribe here on my channel where we are the Royal Flush. We are the Royal Flush family. And don't forget to hit the bell button right next to the subscribe buttons. Once you hit the subscribe button, it's a bell right next to it. So hit that to be notified for every single upload. And also y'all, if you guys at any point in this video you guys are enjoying yourself, you guys are enjoying me, then give this video a big thumbs up. And with that being said, you guys, let's just get into this video.
That's the reason we do this, baby. You better use it. Use your imagination.
So the first brand we should have left in 2018, like we should have left this brand a while ago, maybe like 2-3 years ago. We should have left this brand. The brand is Huda Beauty. I don't think anything else has to be said. Like, y'all pretty much know why Huda Beauty needs to be left in 2018. One reason is that she does not support people of color in general. She does not support like men in makeup, period. She barely reposts them. Like, she's fine with sending them PR, girl. She's fine with them sending them PR, but she barely reposts us men in makeup, like on her page, or both her pages. I think she has 2 pages. She barely reposts us on either page unless they literally hit over 1 million views. It doesn't matter like how many how many followers they have. She just does not repost men in makeup. There's one problem that I've seen on her page. You know, that's one problem that a lot of people, like, you know, had a problem with her brand. Not just men in makeup, but black women of color, like deeper skin complexion. A lot of people were saying the reason why she doesn't repost men or black women like of color or men in makeup in general is because of where she lives. But she lives in Dubai, and like they're kind of against gay people in that country. So that's like one reason they were saying why she doesn't repost them. Like, you know, it was just more of a rumor. She never actually came forth and actually said anything like that. But if she did, y'all can definitely leave a comment down below. But yeah, she doesn't really support, like, I mean, I'm not saying she doesn't personally, but that country, just period. So I guess she doesn't want her, like, the people, her Dubai followers to, like, you know, like, feel some type of way about her. But it, like, nonetheless, as like literally the biggest influencer on Instagram, period, like, you have so much power and you can't, like, you know, do anything like that to, you know, just, it's just a whole lot of it is. So the next brand we are going to be talking about, we're going to be talking about Juvia's Place. Okay, I know y'all like, Jay, Juvia's Place is a woman of color brand. That does not matter. She, like, that brand just barely post black boys in makeup, period. If you notice that, just go on her page, on their page, and just scroll down. You barely see any black boys in makeup. I think one of my friends he's a black boy in makeup, he got reposted by them. And let me just show y'all, okay, so I'm on their Instagram. Look at this. Oh, sorry, shoot. No boys, like, just boys in general. Like, you know, it's like black boys, but boys in general. You don't see any boys. Like, look at this. Oh, here's one. November. What is this, January? No. So y'all pretty much get the point. You know, of course, like, you know, They support their black, you know, their women of color, of course, but you don't support boys in makeup, period. And I just can't stand behind a brand like that. And one of my friends, Darian Isaac, he actually called Juvia's Place out on that, and he got blocked. So I don't know what's going on, Juvia. I need some answers, okay? But until then, y'all getting left in 2018. I'm sorry. You got left, girl. You got left. Another brand that we should have left in 2018, like we should have really left, is Victoria's Secret. Y'all know the drama between Victoria's Secret and Nikita Dragon, who is literally everybody's favorite trans girl. You know, and she like basically did a little clap back on them and actually did a campaign like of her own that actually looked it way better than the Victoria's Secret shoot. But that's neither here nor there. She did it in retaliation of what the CEO of Victoria's Secret basically said, and he said like some rude things regarding trans women and also plus size models and different things like that. He made like a lot of provocative statements towards them, and you know, different stuff like that. And that's like a brand that got, you know, that we should have definitely left in 2018. But people still purchase their things. People are, you know, they're still supporting Victoria's Secret nonetheless, but I would never buy any of their lotions or sprays ever again because of that reason. So moving on, the next brand I want to talk about, and y'all gonna be like, bitch, you a fucking hypocrite. It's Benefit Cosmetics. Okay, y'all bet y'all like, bitch, like, you love Benefit, you rave about Benefit, their brow products are everything, but I feel like we should definitely leave Benefit Cosmetics in 2018 because, like, look at their face powders, look at their foundations, just look at different stuff, their bronzer. Look at the bronze, like, look at their products. They don't support people of color. Like, none of their products, of course, they're like their Hula bronzers and probably their new foundation they came out with. If you notice, Benefit usually does stuff big for their product. But that foundation launch was like quiet as fuck. Like, they did a mascara last year and literally flew people out to different tropical islands for that shit. But if you notice, their foundation came out in 2018 too, and bitch, you didn't hear a whisper. Like a whisper. You didn't hear shit. Like, it was a small little get together. My bitch Kenneth got invited there, but it was like a small little get together. It wasn't really nothing major. It was just like you could tell they were trying to keep this product on a hush hush because the products didn't go deep enough. So sorry, Benefit Cosmetics, your brow products are amazing, but you should have been got left even before 2018. I'm sorry. Also, I would not personally be using Benefit Cosmetics products anymore. The brow pencils, I'm trying to find different things that could replace them. Today I did my brows with the LA Girl brow product, which is also good. Their foundation is really good, and their foundation goes really deep. So yeah, but today I used their brow products, just trying different stuff, trying to get out of using Benefit Cosmetics completely. Sorry, you gotta go. The next product I want to talk about, and the next product that we definitely should have left in 2018 is the brand Tarte. Okay, everybody was literally waiting for Tarte to drop their Shape Tape foundation, and it literally came out in a terrible shade range, and people just started noticing to cancel Tarte. First of all, y'all should have been canceled Tarte because I don't even think none of their foundations even went that deep anyways. But their Shape Tape concealer, I never really used it anyway, and if you do use their Shape Tape concealer, please stop. We just need to leave Tarte in 2018. We just need to leave Tarte alone, completely cut it off, period. We need to literally cut it off, period. Okay, period. We just need to cut Tarte off. Listen, y'all listening? We need to cut cut it off. Cut it off. Okay, cut her off. I never used Tarte Shape Tape anyway. I don't even think I ever used a Tarte product. I think I have one Tarte product, and it's a liquid highlighter that I don't use. So yeah, you guys, that pretty much wraps up today's video. Today's video of brands that we should have left in 2018. I don't know if you agree with me, but if you do, please sound off down below. If you don't, you can also comment down below, just to, you know, keep a conversation going. If you do agree with me, if you don't, but you know, we don't do no hate comments here, period, point blank. So yeah, y'all, if you guys did enjoy this video, please give this video a big thumbs up, and also do not forget to hit that subscribe button right before you leave. Also, do not forget to hit the bell notification right next to that. YouTube playing with me, okay? Y'all not getting y'all views. Y'all not getting y'all notifications. That's what I was told. Okay, YouTube is trying to play with me, trying to play with y'all. So please do not forget to hit that bell notification. And with that being said, you guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.